Welcome to another episode of Borden's Bakes. Today's recipe is cookies and cream Oreo Cupcakes. If you love our recipe, please subscribe below. So guys, let's get started. Start by lining your cupcake pan with 12 cases, then place one Oreo biscuit in each of them. Set these to the side for later. Using a hand or stand mixer, add 125 grams of salted butter. Next, add 125 grams of caster sugar. Cream the butter and the sugar together until light and fluffy. Next, you'll need 2 medium eggs and 1 tablespoon of milk. Add half of the egg and half of the milk to start. Mix on a low setting to combine. Then add the last egg and the remainder of the milk. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And slowly mix this into your cupcake batter. Sieve 100 grams of plain flour, 25 grams of cacao powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and lastly a pinch of salt. Using a spatula, fold in all your ingredients into your batter carefully. Grab the cupcake cases that you prepared earlier. Using a large spoon, equally distribute the mixture into each case. Place in the oven at 200 degrees C, gas mark 6, for 15 to 18 minutes. Once your cupcakes are perfectly baked, set to the side to cool. In the meantime, take 16 Oreo cookies, a bowl, and a knife. Open each cookie by twisting and scrape the filling into the bowl. Set aside for later. To make the buttercream, add 150 grams of unsalted butter to your stand mixer. Cream together until light and fluffy. Next, add 300 grams of icing sugar and beat all together. Add 1 tablespoon of milk. Lastly, add the Oreo filling you prepared earlier to complete your buttercream. Place your buttercream into a piping bag. And pipe the icing onto the cupcakes. Sprinkle some crushed Oreo biscuit onto the top of your cupcakes. Lastly, dunk one whole Oreo biscuit into each cake. Recipe complete. One last thing, please remember to subscribe to our channel below for more recipes each week.